didn't know what else to do for an intro, guys, but we're installing a Clydesdale today. Alright guys and gals, welcome back. Today, yes, we are going to install the Clydesdale Extreme Duty Tie Rod and Drag Link on my 76 Ford Bronco. Again, it's just another easy install as long as you have the patience. Patience is key. Now, let's get started. One thing to note is at this point, I am assuming you guys have your new Clydesdale assembled. If not, go watch this quick assembly video to see how to do that. Other than that, here we go. So, I already have everything off my rig and I'm ready to install the new Clydesdale. But for those of you that aren't too sure about the uninstall of your old tie rod and drag link system, what you're gonna wanna do first is, if you have one, you're gonna want to remove the old steering stabilizer. Next, you're going to want to uninstall your old drag link and tie rod. To uninstall the drag link, you're gonna wanna take the nut that connects the drag link to the pitman arm off, and then you're going to want to use a pickle fork to smack the old drag link off of this pitman arm. If you guys are unsure what I'm talking about as far as uninstalling the old tie rod and drag link system, go ahead and check this video out. It goes through all the steps on how to do that. Since we have all of that out, we are going to jump ahead to installing the Clydesdale. Okay, that wasn't that cool. So first thing you want to do is position the tie rod with the forging that has the hole in it on the passenger side. Now, for my rig, what I am doing is called a tie rod over. If you aren't sure what that means, you're probably going to want to do a tie rod under. If you're unsure how to achieve a tie rod under, go ahead and watch the Clydesdale assembly video. It will be linked up top. You can watch the whole thing, or you can skip to 2 minutes and 45 seconds where the tie rod over and under is explained. If you have any questions after that, go ahead and give us a call or comment down below and we'll try to walk you guys through that. Either way, after you get your tie rod into both knuckles and the castle nut started, just tighten those down and throw your cotter pins in. You do want to tighten those castle nuts down pretty stinking tight, basically as tight as you can, and then once you feel like it's as tight as you can go, maybe just try to crank it one more notch over. Again, throw your cotter pin in and you guys will be all set. Now what you guys are going to want to do is align your tires as best as you can. Eyeball it unless you guys have some background in this field and you guys have the tools necessary for aligning your tires. If not, just get them about as straight as possible, facing in the same direction, and then you're going to want to go ahead and tighten your jam nuts down. We do recommend, after an install like this, that you do go get your tires aligned by a professional just to be safe. So once you guys get all of this installed, head over to your alignment shop. But that's at the end. We still got a little ways to go on this install. So let's keep moving. Now on to the drag link. You're going to want to throw the side with the accordion seal on the tie rod and the other side with the cone-shaped seal on the pitman arm. Now, if you're thinking, well, which side is supposed to have the accordion seal? Which side's supposed to have the cone-shaped seal? Then I'm gonna guess that you guys probably haven't watched the Clydesdale assembly video. Again, that's up top. It is important to know because the cartridges are different, so go ahead and figure that out. Then throw your castle nuts and cotter pins on your drag link. Make sure everything is tight, and then just tighten up your jam nuts. At this point, all you have to do is throw your grease zerks into the ends of your drag link and tie rod cartridges. Throw some grease in those bad boys and you guys are all set to drive to the alignment shop. When tightening up these grease zerks, you do want to make sure that you don't over tighten because you don't want to break those off. Once you see grease start to spill out of anywhere, that is the signal to stop. Go ahead and put your grease away, clean up any mess that you made, and boom! Clydesdale. And it is that easy. Why install a Clydesdale, you ask? Well, when I asked that question, I got this answer.
Oh, well, it's super beefy. I mean,
Strong, girthy,
thick. We like to call it thick. When you get the Clydesdale, you're not taking your girlfriend to McDonald's. We're going out, we're having some steak, maybe some filet. It's nice.
All right, if I think of anything else, I'll let you know.
You ever make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and you drop the bread with the peanut butter face down? Don't do that with your tie rod and drag link. Get your sandwich together, complete. And you won't get a Clydesdale, you get it.
That changed my life. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button. It is painless, I promise. Keep commenting down below things that you guys want to see in the future. We do take those comments serious. And now, with all of that being said, we will see you and your beefed out rig on the trail.